I'll turn the volume down a bit. And I turned it up a bit so I can count.
Bro, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new.
There we are. Now that's the other meme versions. Now next. Oh, turn it down.
Bro, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
That is so fire! Yo, come over here. I'm with Mr. Beast, and we got the brand new.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6,
Mr. Beast kicks. Yo, that is fire!
Mr. Beast is very funny, isn't he? Let's turn this down. Yeah, turn it down a bit, Dad, okay? I'll turn it up back to side to side.
Come over here. I'm gonna check out my new shoes, and we got the brand new.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
Side by side.
3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6,
Mr. Beast kicks. Yo, that is fire!
Hello everyone, I'm John, and I run John Trainspot on my YouTube channel, but I change the picture on my channel sometimes. Brilliant. This video is being recorded by the 1 2 Buckle My Shoe meme, the 1980, 2023, and the disco of 2077. Whoa. And one of them are by side, so I listen to by side. But the one that is the meme, first the meme, then Mr. Beast, and the original. That's just it. As you know, it's going to get hot in a couple more days, so I've got lots of shade around here, but I'll be off to Norfolk Park tomorrow, and that will be it. So yeah. If you have enjoyed what have you seen here, then please leave a like on my video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, the 1 2 Buckle My Shoe meme is very brilliant because I haven't listened to that for ages because it's been successful and I only listened to it till I was at Grand's for 9 nights. So I thought I'll listen to it today, just like I did a video of Meet Valens video. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. Peace. John out.